Look at that. It's still doing it. Yeah. Well, it's hailing, I guess. Yep, look at all over the ground here. Little white specks all over the ground. Sweet. March 5th, 2009. Yeah, I saw these big black clouds earlier. I'm thinking, what are they going to dump on us today? Well, good deal. Too bad the hail wasn't a little bigger. That'd be sweet. You know, golf ball size or grapefruit size. They get a brand new car somewhere and they have to sell it for like $10,000 off. Hey, that benefits me, man. Benefits this consumer. Tell you what. Say goodbye, brother.
Bye.